Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create a very simple sci-fi plane, a game asset, a sci-fi plane type model. It is looking like a sci-fi plane. So let's start. Let's create this model. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our sci-fi plane model model in Blender. Very easy and very simple sci-fi plane. Anyone can model this type of plane. This is a game asset. Very simple sci-fi plane model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gaming videos in my channel. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. This is a simple rotation. Okay guys. Bye guys.